Welcome back to Dream Home Design Luxury Interiors. Today, we're stepping inside a breathtaking tiny house that redefines space, style, and comfort. Think tiny living means sacrificing luxury. Think again. Stay with me as we uncover design secrets that make this home feel like a dream retreat. At first glance, this tiny house is a masterpiece of architectural elegance. The curved, organic shape isn't just eye-catching. It creates a seamless blend between modern design and nature. And those large windows, they flood the space with natural light, making the interiors feel expansive and inviting. Let's talk about luxury. The custom-built wooden furniture adds an artisanal touch, while the polished stone countertops elevate the kitchen's style. Every detail, from high-end fixtures to a cozy outdoor deck, transforms this space into a premium living experience. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with a view like this. Coziness isn't just about soft blankets. It's about creating a space that feels like home. The arched ceilings and warm lighting wrap you in comfort, while the neutral-tone textiles add an extra layer of warmth. Even the smallest details, like indoor plants and decorative shelving, make this tiny house feel inviting and personal. Now let's talk smart design. The lofted sleeping area keeps the main floor open and airy. Hidden storage compartments and multifunctional staircases maximize every inch. And the kitchen. It's compact but brilliantly efficient, with open shelving that keeps everything within reach. These clever solutions prove that tiny living doesn't mean giving up convenience. What do you think of this stunning tiny house? Could you see yourself living in a space like this? Drop a comment below with your favorite design feature. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more dream home inspirations. Until next time, keep dreaming big, even in tiny spaces.